Morning. Welcome to today's nightmare. To anyone who wants to purchase a carrier, we had a carrier with a blower motor that went bad. Here's a really awesome part about getting to this blower motor is that literally everything is in the way. The filter rack, the coil, we had to disassemble all of this, get the line sets out, take the entire electronic panel out with the heat strips. Literally every single thing had to come apart in order to get to this blower housing. But wait, there's more. They screwed it from the top side, just behind the ductwork. So now we have to take all of the ductwork out in order to get to the screws to take the blower housing out, because the mounting clip for the blower wheel is on the other side. So once we go ahead and pretty much remove every single thing that has to do with this unit, including the ductwork, there's even more. They riveted the friggin' blower housing to the cabinet. So now we have to figure out how to drill out the rivets before we can even get this blower housing out of here. Yeah, we should all buy a carrier.